If you're struggling with weight loss, then you need to hear Sarah's story. Sarah struggled with her weight for years. She felt frustrated and hopeless. The constant cycle of losing and gaining weight took a toll on her mental health, leaving her feeling defeated. Then she discovered a new approach, a balanced diet focused on macronutrients. Macronutrients are the nutrients our bodies need in large amounts: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Understanding their importance helped Sarah make more informed food choices. This approach transformed Sarah's body and life. She not only saw physical changes but also felt more energetic and confident. She lost weight quickly and kept it off. Understanding macronutrients is key to achieving your health, weight loss, and fitness goals. They are the building blocks of our diet and are essential to unlocking rapid weight loss and maintaining overall health. This diet works by optimizing your macronutrient ratio, ensuring you get the right balance of protein, carbs, and fats. It's about nourishing your body with the right nutrients for optimal function, energy, and well-being. By understanding and managing your macronutrient intake, you can achieve a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. The following are the ingredients you will use in the preparation of your daily meals and the weight loss science behind them. Continue to listen to the end and get sample recipes for the day with the ingredients to make them. Vary the ingredients going forward. Protein is crucial for weight loss and overall health. It builds muscle, which burns more calories than fat, even at rest. This boosts your metabolism and accelerates your weight loss journey. Protein also keeps you feeling full and satisfied. It reduces cravings and prevents overeating, which causes overweight. Aim to include protein with every meal and snack. Good sources of protein include lean meats like chicken, turkey, and fish. Eggs, which are a complete protein source. Greek yogurt, high in protein and low in fat, and beans and lentils, plant-based protein powerhouses. Healthy fats are essential for weight loss and overall well-being. Healthy fats also help you feel more satisfied after meals. This prevents overeating and unhealthy snacking. Include healthy fats in your diet, like avocados, which are rich in monounsaturated fats and fiber, nuts and seeds packed with healthy fats and protein, olive oil, a heart-healthy fat for cooking and dressings, and fatty fish like salmon, tuna, and mackerel, which are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Not all carbs are created equal. This diet focuses on low-carb, high-fiber options. These carbs provide sustained energy and regulate blood sugar levels. Fiber is your secret weapon for weight loss. It adds bulk to your diet, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. It also promotes healthy digestion and regularity. Choose these high-fiber, low-carb options. Non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts. Berries, which are low in sugar and high in antioxidants. Quinoa, a complete protein source with fiber, and lentils, a great source of fiber and plant-based protein. Section 6. Timing is key. The power of frequent balanced meals. When you eat is just as important as what you eat. This diet recommends eating every 3 to 4 hours. This keeps your metabolism revved up and prevents energy crashes. Eating frequently also helps stabilize blood sugar levels. This reduces cravings and prevents overeating. Focus on balanced meals and snacks that include protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Section 7. Delicious and doable. Sample meal plans for rapid results. Here are some sample meal ideas to get you started. Whether you're looking for a hearty breakfast, a light lunch, or a satisfying dinner, we've got you covered. Scrambled eggs with spinach and a side of berries. This combination provides a great balance of protein, fiber, and antioxidants to kickstart your day. Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. A perfect option for a quick and nutritious breakfast or snack, packed with probiotics and healthy fats. Protein smoothie with spinach, berries, and almond milk. This smoothie is a powerhouse of nutrients, providing you with energy and essential vitamins. Salad with grilled chicken or fish, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. This meal is perfect for lunch, offering a good mix of protein, healthy fats, and greens. Asterisk leftovers from dinner can also be a great option for a quick and easy lunch. Lentil soup with a side of mixed greens. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber, making this soup both filling and nutritious. Baked salmon with roasted vegetables. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and when paired with roasted vegetables, It makes for a well-rounded and delicious dinner. Chicken stir-fry with brown rice. This dish is quick to prepare and offers a balanced mix of protein, whole grains, and vegetables. Turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. A low-carb alternative to traditional pasta, this meal is both satisfying and healthy. Apple slices with almond butter. This snack is a great way to curb your hunger between meals, providing a good mix of fiber and healthy fats. Hard-boiled eggs are another excellent snack option, offering a quick source of protein. A handful of nuts and seeds. Perfect for a quick snack, nuts and seeds are packed with healthy fats, protein, and essential nutrients to keep you energized throughout the day. Section 8. Real people, real results. Inspiring stories of transformation. This diet has helped countless people achieve their weight loss goals. I lost 20 pounds in 3 months, says Mary, a mother of 2. This diet gave me the energy to keep up with my kids and finally feel confident in my own skin. John, a busy professional, shares, this way of eating fits perfectly into my busy schedule. I've lost weight, have more energy, and my cravings have disappeared. These success stories prove that this diet is more than just a quick fix. It's a sustainable lifestyle change that delivers lasting results. Section 9. Your journey starts now. Embrace the power of a balanced diet. You don't have to struggle with your weight any longer. By embracing the power of macronutrient balance, you can unlock rapid weight loss and improve your overall health. This isn't another restrictive diet. It's a sustainable approach to nourishing your body. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Remember, your journey is unique. Celebrate your successes, be patient with yourself, and never give up on your goals. You have the power to transform your life, one healthy meal at a time. Section 9. Your journey starts now. Embrace the power of a balanced diet. You don't have to struggle with your weight any longer. By embracing the power of macronutrient balance, you can unlock rapid weight loss and improve your overall health. This isn't another restrictive diet, it's a sustainable approach to nourishing your body. Focus on eating whole, unprocessed foods, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Remember, your journey is unique. Celebrate your successes, be patient with yourself, and never give up on your goals. You have the power to transform your life, one healthy meal at a time. If you find this video useful, you can subscribe if you will, and check out my other videos in TIA's channel.